Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is peas, and we'll be making green pea fritter with grilled ham and cheese and grilled chicken salad with peas. Joining me in our Morris Black Kitchen is Dr. Jami Avellini from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Anthony Bonett. Can't wait
We're just
to
going to
see
put
what
some. We're going to put some flour. We have a light cottage cheese, kind of dry. I dried it out. We have 3 eggs.
And you can get the kids involved
Yep.
and putting
Doctor,
in
you want
each
to
ingredient.
mix this while we're doing that? You can just mix that all together. We'll put a little salt and pepper in it. These are really frozen peas that are right out of the bag. They're really easy to blanch, really simply. So we're going to toss together a salad with the arugula.
So you could eat them thawed.
Absolutely.
Or
Pull them
if
out
it's
of
a
freezer,
little too tough
right,
texture, you could blanch them a little bit.
Exactly, right.
And peas are very high in protein. What else?
Absolutely. It also it's a great source of carbohydrates.
Okay.
Vitamin A, which helps with your vision and your bone growth. You also have vitamin B, which is also helps with your energy levels and helps you function throughout the day. And then vitamin C, which helps to absorb your iron, and it helps your immune system as well.
So it's like a superfood. It's
Oh, absolutely.
little
and so
tiny
small, and it's packed with
vegetable, but
all
it's-
these great things.
It's a mighty vegetable.
Absolutely.
And it's one of baby's first foods, right?
Absolutely. So you can introduce it between 4 and 6 months. Always consult your pediatrician before you do add new solids. But it's typically their first green food.
And you can just boil them and mash them up.
Right,
Blender
they're
with
easy
some
to
water.
puree too, and I even have to deal with this with my cooks in the restaurant too. Like if you're making a pea puree, make sure your water's boiling, you have salt in the water. I mean, for your child, if you don't want a lot of salt, but the water has to be boiling. You can't put them in like tepid water and bring it up. They'll start turning kind of like an off color. For really to make a nice puree, you have to cook a pea for like a good 2.5 minutes, 3 minutes. It's not just like in and out.
Right.
Gotcha.
So, yeah, our batter
Nice
looks
and
great.
thick.
Okay, we're gonna fold our peas in. These are right out of a bag, frozen peas, dried. Any frozen vegetable, thaw it out, and then make sure it's just dry. Our twist to these pancakes is that we're gonna assemble them into grilled cheese sandwiches.
Okay, great.
And we're gonna put them in the oven, and I'll cook some pancakes.
And I
Our
don't think
peas.
people know that 1 tablespoon of peas has more protein.
Then a tablespoon of peanut butter, which was a
Really?
fun fact.
I
Yep.
know, that's so interesting to know.
These look great.
Oh, perfect.
That's-
Always be
A
careful when you're
beautiful golden
sauteing.
color.
Make sure you tip the pan away from yourself with your oil. I make this salad at home. When it's warm, it helps wilt the arugula a little bit. So we're gonna toss. We have
I think I would be
some
afraid to
ingredients.
add a warm ingredient to a
Right.
salad, that it would
And
make it really watery.
another thing
but
that
no.
people don't think of a lot of times with peas, you always think of peas with like American ingredients, mashed potatoes, you know.
Right.
Exactly.
They hold up very well to a lot of different flavors. So this is
looks great.
really just a nice, simple chicken salad with arugula, with olives. Whenever you're adding olives, I always think to add something sweet. Let's put our grilled cheeses right in the oven.
What did you use for the dressing?
The dressing was a very straightforward lemon vinaigrette. It's pretty much lemon,
Okay.
olive oil, Dijon mustard. I put some parsley in it, and I put a little shallots in it. Okay, we're gonna toss our salad. Let's put our salt and pepper.
Very easy.
We have a nice kind of lemon, almost like a little Greek lemon vinaigrette.
Okay.
I think this is really like a great, gluten-free, healthy vegetable salad right here.
So how long do you keep it in the oven for?
You just want to melt your cheese. Let's go ahead. We can cut these in half. I bought some sweet pickles. You have a little
These are
ketchup
very
dipping
hearty
sauce.
dishes. Why don't we each take a piece of one of these grilled
Sounds
cheese?
good.
Sounds
We have nice
good.
triangles for each other. Here you go.
This is delicious.
So good. What a great alternative to a
It's
grilled
really-
cheese, 2 pieces of bread. You're getting
really
so many
tasty.
more vitamins.
Yep.
Let's try the salad. Amazing.
The vinaigrette is amazing.
You're right, the olives and the raisins and the peas, everything
Really good.
works so well together.